All right, in this example, we're going to again find the standard form of the equation of a circle, and we're given that its diameter, right, is between these two given points on the circles, 2, 3, and 7, 4. Now, just to give you just a sketch of what this might look like, we've got the circle, and we have 2 points that determine the diameter. And if you remember from geometry, the diameter of a circle goes through the center. So that would be the center, HK. Another thing we know is that the center is at the midpoint of the diameter. Another thing we know is that the distance, the length of the diameter, is going to be twice the radius of the circle. So if we want to find the standard form of the equation of the circle, we just need to find the midpoint of the diameter, and then we'll find the length of the diameter using the distance formula and divide that by 2. Then we'll have our radius. With the center and radius, we can find the standard form. So let's do that. First off, let's find the center. So let's find the center. That's the midpoint. Recall the midpoint formula is just the average of the x components and the average of the y components. So we have x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. All right, so we'll just make this one to be the first point, that one to be the second, and so the center is going to be at the location 2 plus 7 divided by 2, comma, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, or 9 halves, comma, 7 halves. All right, so the center is at 9 halves, 7 halves, and now we just need the radius. So we'll take the 2 points that determine the diameter and use the distance formula to calculate that length, and then we'll divide that by 2. All right, so the distance, we'll just call it d, is going to be the square root of, with 7 minus 2 quantity squared plus 4 minus 3 quantity squared. All right, so the distance is going to be the square root of 5 squared, 7 minus 2, plus 1 squared. Distance is going to be square root of 25 plus 1, that is the square root of 26. All right, now this is twice the length of the radius, so we'll take our d divided by 2. That will be our radius, so we have the square root of 26 divided by 2. All right, and now we can write the standard form of the equation of the circle, and recall that's r squared equals x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. And we'll just plug in the information. The center, here, radius, here. So, square root of 26 over 2 squared equals x minus 9 halves, quantity squared, plus y minus 7 halves squared. And we can simplify this a little bit. If we square 26, the square root of 26, we'll get 26, and if we square 2, we get 4. So we have 26 over 4 equals x minus 9 halves squared plus y minus 7 halves squared. And then we can simplify this. We have 26 over 4. They both have a factor of 2, so we can write this as 13 halves. So 13 halves equals x minus 9 halves squared plus y minus 7 halves squared. There we have the standard form for this circle.